So hey guys, I got something from the store that I've never tried before. And these are chips made by, well, one is by Snoop Dogg, my boy. And the other one is Nicki Minaj, my girl. So it's going to be hard to, I'm going to actually taste these and see which one I like better. Nicki Minaj's is barbecuing with my honey truffle. Okay? Barbecuing with my honey truffle. We're gonna see how she tastes. Snoop Dogg's is nachos. So I'm assuming you know nachos. Okay, so these are tortilla chips made by Snoop Dogg. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by trying Nicki Minaj's. Ooh. Doesn't smell like honey. I don't smell barbecue. Well, let's try them. These are actually really good. Alright, Nicki, barbecuing with my honey truffle. I think that was cute. Alright, Snoop. Let's see what his is about. Nachos. They're not yours. That's okay. That's a little dry. Not too much flavor. A little cheese when you first bite it, you can taste the powdered cheese on it. And then it's not that powerful. That one was. Now that was cheesy and a little spicy, which was really good. I guess I got a chip that didn't have the powder on it or the seasoning on it. They're still kind of like a little dry, but not bad. Cheddar barbecue, but I was thinking it was going to taste like nachos because the name of the chip is nachos. I was looking more for like the nacho taste. Now I get the barbecue and the cheddar. Now I get why it's called that. Well, I don't know why it's called nachos, but now I know why it tastes a little more like barbecue. Nicki Minaj, fire. This is good. Hers is good. Try them together. I'm putting you two together. Nicki Minaj and Snoop. Here you go. Now that tastes good. Overall, guys, Nicki won in my eyes. Snoop, you my boy, but I would put you second. Not bad when you combine the two. They're good together.